What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about video shuttering Windows 10. We will discuss 10 methods by which you can fix video shuttering problem in Windows 10. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button and select all on the bell notification. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Restart your PC. First, try to restart your computer, as in most of the cases, when our computer goes to sleep, most of the services stop working. So restarting the computer can help us to restart all the services which stopped working when our computer was in sleep mode. So it's the basic thing you have to do first. You have to restart your computer before you use any method. Method 2. Update graphic driver. You have to be sure that you have the latest version of the graphic driver running on your PC. It can create a problem if you have incompatible, corrupted, missing or outdated drivers. To update the driver, right-click on Windows icon. You'll get this device manager. Click on it. Now here, double-click on display adapters, or either you can click on this arrow to get this drop-down option. Select the driver and do a right-click and click on update driver. Here, click on search automatically for drivers. Once you click on search automatically for drivers, it will start scanning and searching for the driver and install it the latest version on your PC. After updating your display adapter graphics, you have to update sound, video and game controller driver as well. Click on this arrow. If you have graphic card hardware running on your PC a part of the CPU, then you'll see the list in here. So what you have to do, select that driver, do a right click, click on update driver, click on search automatically for driver, and that's all you have to do. Method 3. Update Windows. I hope you all know that window update is really important to fix all the bugs and problems which you are facing. So it's really important to update the Windows, and it keeps you secure as well. So you have to update your Windows whenever you will get the message to update the window. Click on Windows icon, click on settings. Here, click on update and security. Click on check for updates. It will start checking for updates and list everything in here, all the updates, and start downloading the updates. And after it's done with downloading all of the updates, it asks you to restart the PC. That's how you have to update your Windows. And after that, check if your video play without causing any issues. Method 4. Restore power option to default. The performance of your computer also depend on the settings of your power panel. As we have the option to make changes, you might have changed the setting that causing the video shuttering problem in your Windows. So we have to restore the setting to the default so that problem will go away. Click on Windows icon, type Control, click on Open. Here you have to click on System and Security. If you are not getting this screen, then click here next to the View By and select Category. Click on System and Security. Here click on Power Options. If you have this option selected, then click on Change Plan Settings and click on Restore Default Setting for this plan and click on Yes. Method 5. Wallpaper settings. If your computer has a slideshow running in the background and if you set a short interval of the timing, then your video might skip a frame and display the flicker in the video every time a new background comes on. You can either disable the option entirely or adjust the settings. For that, click on Windows icon, or we can say Start. Click on Settings. Click on Personalization. Now here, you have to change the setting to Pictures or Solid Color. If you want to keep the slideshow, then change the time interval to 30 minutes or 1 hour. Method 6. Browser hardware acceleration. This option is an essential requirement as it uses the acceleration of the computer hardware with the use of GPU. It helps in the performance of the CPU and the GPU to work efficiently. However, in some specific issues, the user faces the problem while having this hardware acceleration remain on. So you can disable this acceleration by following step. For Chrome browser, do a double click on the Chrome browser and open it. Click on these three dots. Click on settings. Here, scroll it down. Click on advanced. You'll get hardware acceleration in system. So turn it off and relaunch the Chrome browser. If you have turned it off, the hardware acceleration in the past, then try to turn it on to check if this helps you to play the online video properly for you. For Mozilla Firefox, do a double click and open it. Click on these three dashes. Click on options. Scroll it down. You will get a performance option. Uncheck the use recommended performance setting. And here you can see use hardware acceleration when available. Uncheck it. That's all you have to do to stop the hardware acceleration in Firefox. If you are the user of Microsoft Edge, then press Windows icon and R and type inetcpl.cpl command and click OK. Click on Advanced. Here, as you can see, use software rendering instead of GPU rendering. This hardware acceleration is off. Maybe that's why you're facing the problem in Microsoft Edge. So you can turn it on if it's showing you off and click on Apply and OK. Method 7. Graphic card preferences. If you have two graphic card adapter, then there could be a conflict issue coming up. It's better if you disable one of the graphic card to stop the possible conflict. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type the command to open Device Manager devmgmt.msc and click OK. Double click on Display Adapters. If you will get two display adapters, then disable one of the graphic card. So you can disable the Intel graphic card and keep the other graphic card like NVIDIA GeForce. After disabling the adapter, restart your computer. It's really important to restart. Method 8. Update browser. If you are getting problem with your browser while playing videos, then it would be recommended to update your browser. For that, double click on the Chrome browser if you want to update Chrome browser. Click on these three dots. Take your cursor to Help. You'll see About Chrome. Click on it. And as you can see, when I clicked on About Chrome, then it is start searching for the updates. For Firefox, do a double click on the Firefox and open it. Click on the three dashes. Click on Help. Click on About Firefox. As you just saw, Firefox start scanning and it's showing me Firefox is up to date. So that's how you have to update Firefox browser. Method 9. Scan for hardware changes. To scan for hardware changes, do a right click on Windows icon, click on Device Manager, click on Scan for hardware changes, and afterward restart your computer. Method 10. Disable your antivirus program. It has been updated on Tech Forum. In some cases, antivirus caused the problem. So the link is given in the description. If you want to disable your antivirus program, every instruction is mentioned how you can disable the antivirus. So that's all for today. I hope our method will help you to fix your video stuttering problem in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.